Hello everyone. I want to tell you today what you have to avoid the mistakes during your MBA study or your study and your working life, because MBA is not only study, it's not only academic life. It is a professional course. So we are living our life just like getting the experience of working experience. So I will tell you what we have to avoid those things. When you are studying, we don't avoid the study of the during the exam time only, because it will create the stress and anxiety. Second one is manage your time properly. Avoid the mistakes of poor time management, because it will create pressure. Okay, so you cannot do clear anything. So what we can do, I will give you: be present. This is a very important thing. Be present means if you are cooking, you cook. If you sit in for the study, you think about only for study. When you are taking the shower, you think about only for shower. It means be in the present is the time management things. Okay. Another one is focus not on. Most of the students, they focus only on theory. So not only on theory, use examples, connect with the theory with the real world. It's very important things. Never ignore the real world learning. Okay. Another one is most of the students, they fear of the speak out. So MBA is you have to improve your communication skill. It is very important thing. That's why speak out in the public. Public never fear of the speak, because whatever we are learning, we don't need to be fear for the speaking what we are thinking, what we are telling. So like that. Another one is compare yourself. Most of the students, when they are getting the pressure, when they are getting the academic pressure, they are studying, they don't understand the concept, what they are doing. At the time, our brain have a lack of a strength. So what we do, instantly we compare ourselves. We are not capable, we are not enough. That these things come in our mind. So never compare yourself to others. Enjoy your life, be happy what you have and satisfied. And then if you study the one paragraph, that's enough. If you have too much pressure, never compare. Okay. And then after 5 minutes, 10 minutes, you study one more paragraph. There's no problem, there's no hurry. Everyone has their own journey. Another last one is never ignore your health and sleep, because eat well, sleep well, and prepare well, speak well, and present well, and write well. This is the things of the MBA. You don't need to be ignore your health and sleep, because it's a fundamental rights, and then it's a necessity, not the optional. Okay, thank you very much.